Охуеть!
Блядь, что ли, блядь? Ёбаный в рот, блядь.
There it is. Nope. Almost got it. Continuing on there. Might do it again here. Here we go. Pit maneuver.
Good street for it. Now this is a really dangerous situation. You have just those two officers in front of him. He's getting out of the truck right now. Or the door is open at least.
Still moving now.
Yeah, this is very dangerous for those officers. Very dangerous for those officers as they as this guy tries to get the car back in motion. And you can see their armies coming out with his hands up.
Looks like it might be.
So, it is over at this point, but it's a female driver trying to carjack the officer's vehicle. Unbelievable. What nerve.
That was certainly a twist. Gil, can you get us a locator as to where this all came to an end?